Jeff Bezos goes broke? Updated net worth 2023. Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Jeff Bezos goes broke, updated net worth 2023. Let's get right into it. Last year was tough for many investors, including the world's wealthiest individuals. Forbes recently released its 2023 World Billionaires list, which revealed that the richest 25 people on the planet lost a combined $200 billion in net worth in 2022. As of March 10th, their collective worth stood at $2.1 trillion. The decline in wealth wasn't limited to the super rich. The number of billionaires in the world decreased, with 254 people losing billionaire status last year. The remaining 2,640 billionaires also experienced a loss, totaling $500 billion. Some notable names who fell off the billionaire list include FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried and rapper Kanye West. While Elon Musk may have had his share of Twitter controversies and a dip in Tesla's stock price, he wasn't the bigger loser in terms of net worth. That dubious honor goes to Jeff Bezos, whose net worth dropped by $57 billion, largely due to a 38% decline in Amazon's stock price as of March 10th. As of April 2023, Jeff Bezos is the third wealthiest individual worldwide, with a net worth of $127 billion according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. His fortune surpasses those of Microsoft Corp co-founder Bill Gates and renowned investor Warren Buffett. Bezos is the founder and former CEO of Amazon, a global e-commerce company that now operates under his leadership as the executive chair. In 2022, Amazon accounted for 6.5% of all US retail sales and 44.9% of digital retail spending. The company's subsidiary, Amazon Web Services, AWS, is expected to continue its growth trajectory as digitalization and the cloud computing revolution transform consumer behavior. Despite being raised by a teenage mother and a stepfather who was an immigrant from Cuba, Bezos displayed a strong conviction and a passion for exploring beyond our planet from a young age. He once famously told his school teachers that the future of mankind is not on this planet. Before starting Amazon in 1994, Bezos was a hedge fund executive at D.E. Shaw & Co. However, he left his stable job against the advice of his boss to pursue his entrepreneurial vision. When Jeff Bezos estimated $74 million in sales by 2000, he fell short of the reality. In 1999 alone, Amazon achieved $1.94 billion in sales, beating his expectations by a wide margin. Bezos was able to secure $1 million in seed funding from angel investors, in addition to investments from his family to kickstart the company's growth. The initial investors, who took a $50,000 stake in Amazon, which amounted to a 1% share, saw an incredible return on their investment. Over the course of about 20 years, their stake grew to be worth $3.5 billion, resulting in a 70 times return on investment. In 1996, Amazon raised $8 million in Series A funding from venture capital firm Kleiner Perkins. The company went public in May 1997, a time when many startups were struggling during the dot-com bust. However, Amazon was able to withstand the challenging times and continued to experience rapid growth. Annual sales surged from $511,000 in 1995 to over $3 billion in 2001. Amazon's impressive growth is reflected in its share price, which has skyrocketed over the years. From January 2016 to January 2021, the stock increased approximately 450%. In just 1 year, from January 2020 to January 2021, the stock rose by 60%. As of 2022, Bezos owns 12.7% of Amazon, which has been a major source of his wealth. The company's annual meeting announcement in 2022 showed Bezos owning over $64.5 million in shares. In the fiscal year of 2022, Amazon's net sales reached an impressive $514 billion. As of April 2023, Jeff Bezos' net worth, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, stands at $127 billion. However, given that his 12.7% stake in Amazon represents a significant portion of his wealth, the value of his net worth can fluctuate depending on the stock price of the company. Apart from founding Amazon, Bezos also owns the Washington Post and Blue Origin, a space exploration company. In terms of his stock portfolio, Bezos has invested in companies like Twitter, now known as X Corp, Uber, Airbnb, and Business Insider, in addition to his stake in Amazon. Although he lost his title as the richest person in the world in 2021, Bezos remains the third wealthiest individual globally in 2023. Only Bernard Arnault of France and Elon Musk exceed his wealth. Bezos is not only the founder of Amazon, but also served as its former CEO and currently holds the position of executive chair. Jeff Bezos' net worth has taken a hit in recent years, although it is still far from being a precarious financial situation. Despite this, the decline in his net worth is noteworthy, given his position as one of the wealthiest individuals globally. One significant factor that contributed to the decline in Bezos' net worth was the 38% drop in Amazon's stock price as of March 2023, as he holds a considerable stake in the company. This had a significant impact on his overall wealth. Additionally, Bezos' divorce from his ex-wife Mackenzie Scott in 2019 resulted in him transferring a substantial portion of his Amazon shares to her, further reducing his net worth. Despite these setbacks, Bezos' net worth remains substantial, and he still holds significant investments and business ventures outside of Amazon. However, the decline in his net worth highlights the volatile nature of the stock market and the importance of diversifying one's investment portfolio to mitigate risks. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.